Okay. So first, what exactly we are supposed to do is we have to navigate to event registry from the application navigator. So here in the event registry, you have to create a new event here. You can just click on new here. So here, right, first you are actually creating an event. So which is very, very important. So first step. So here you are supposed to provide the event name, major dot issue dot insert. So I have actually provided the event name. Event name you can keep it any name. So there is no naming convention at all. So you can keep whatever the name you can keep. So here you are supposed to provide the table name. So major issue. So that's it. You don't have to do anything here. So here you can actually provide fired by description. Fired by. So this event, right? This event can be fired from any server-side scripting. This event can be fired from any server-side scripting. It can be fired from business rule. It can be fired from scheduled job. It can be fired from script include. So it can be fired from any server-side scripter. Okay. So now you are actually creating an event here. Okay. So you guys are clear right here. Next step, you need to navigate to system notifications. So under system notifications, you will actually either create a notification. So now what I'm actually doing is I'm actually opening the existing one. Okay, I am opening the existing one. So here, so major issue for already major issue, there is an event already. Okay. So here, right, major issue created. Whenever a major issue record is created, it will actually send an email notification, right? So here, right, you are selecting event is fired, right? Earlier we were selecting record inserted or updated, and we were selecting this one. This time, what are we doing is we are actually selecting event is fired. So once you select the event is fired, right? Here you are supposed to select the event name. So whatever the event name that we have created here, right? That event name I am going to select here. So major dot issue dot insert is what the event that we have actually created. So I am selecting that event here. So I have actually created an event. I have actually added that event in the notification. Okay. Now I have to fire the event. I have to fire the event. Okay. So here, how do we fire the event is what the thing that you guys have to remember. Okay. So we have line of script called gs.event queue. We have gs.event queue. There is a line of script called gs.event queue. So we use that script to fire an event. Okay. So how can you fire that event is that from any server side scripting. From any server side scripting, you can fire that event. Okay. So now, right, what am I going to do is I am going to open major issue record here. Right click, configure, business rules. Okay. So I am going to create a new business rule. That business rule will be triggered whenever a record is created. Whenever a record is created. See, I am actually selecting advanced here after insert. That means whenever a record is created. Send notification. Okay. So here I am actually firing that event. So whatever the event that I have created, right? I am going to fire this event. So how am I going to fire this event is that you guys have to remember the line of script that is actually gs dot event queue. So in the event queue, you are supposed to pass parameters like name of the event, record. This is actually object, param1, param2, queue. So you can actually pass 5 parameters. One is one is name of the event, second one is object, third one is param1, fourth one is param2, fifth one is actually queue. So you can pass 5 parameters. So first one is actually event name. So I have actually passed it in the strings. Second one is object name. So I am actually passing current object here. So third one is param 1, param 2. In the param 1, I am actually keeping uday@ucs.com, comma, udaykumar@ucs.com. Okay. So how exactly it will work, I will actually explain. So whenever you create the record, so this business rule will be triggered. Okay. So once this business rule is run, the script will be executed. Event will be fired. Whenever the event is fired, this notification will be triggered. Okay. Do you guys understand or not? Everyone. Hello. Uday, Nishant, Sudhir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, right, here in the business rule, I have actually passed param1 as uday@ucs.com, udaykumar@ucs.com, right? I want to send a notification to this param1 and param2 as well. I want to send a notification to this param1 and param2 as well. So then what I do is I will actually go to the notification. So here in the who will receive, where is the notification? So here in the who will receive, you will be selecting event param1 contains recipient, event param2 contains recipient. Okay, so that notification will be sent to this uday@ucs.com, udaykumar@ucs.com. So this param1 and param2, if you are actually providing any email addresses over this param1 and param2, if you want to send a notification to this param1 and param2, here you are supposed to select this event param1 contains recipient, event param2 contains recipients checkboxes here, so that the notification will be sent to Abraham Lincoln, Caller, and Uday Kumar, 4 members. So now I am going to create a new major issue here. So now I have actually created a new major issue here. So as soon as I create a major issue, right, immediately it will send a notification. So can you guys tell me where exactly the notifications, where exactly we can actually check whether the notification has been, whether the email has been sent or not? Where exactly we can check?
Email properties, email, navigation.
In the under system logs, you will find a module called emails. So that is where you will actually check whether the notification email has been sent or not. So here, right, you will actually type emails here. So here in the emails, so you can check. So Uday Kumar at ucs.com, Abraham Lincoln, and Uday Consultancy. These all are the members. So Uday Kumar and Uday both have received. So where did we specify Uday and Uday Kumar? We did specify in the event. So which is actually this one. So which is very, very important, guys. Whenever you want to, you have to fire an event. So you can actually use gs.event queue. That will actually fire an event. So do you guys understand how do we